Um, drum brakes and disc brakes are two common braking systems. Drum brakes have a simple design and are cost effective. They use a drum that rotates with the wheel. Um, a pair of shoes inside the drum press outward to create friction and stop the vehicle. Disc brakes use a rotor attached to the wheel with a caliper squeezing brake pads on both sides. This design offers better heat dissipation, providing consistent braking power. They are usually considered more efficient than drum brakes. The comparison isn't just about which is better, but understanding context. One sort of pain point of drum brakes is their tendency to overheat. When they heat up, their braking efficiency decreases. In wet conditions, the water can get trapped inside the drum, further reducing effectiveness. These factors can make them less reliable under heavy use. Disc brakes generally offer better performance in wet and dry conditions. The open design allows water to disperse quickly, reducing the risk of brake fade. This makes them ideal for performance-focused applications, which is why you see them more frequently on sports cars. One advantage of drum brakes is their self-servo effect. As the brake shoes push against the drum, they essentially use the vehicle's forward motion to increase stopping power. This means drum brakes usually require less hydraulic force than disc brakes. Drum brakes are often used on rear wheels or less performance-oriented vehicles. Because they are cheaper to produce, they tend to last longer as the drum's closed design protects against wear and tear. Maintenance and replacement costs are usually lower than for disc brakes. Many people prefer disc brakes for front wheels due to the greater stopping power needed at the front. However, some argue that drum brakes should not be discounted entirely, especially for non-performance vehicles. Both systems have their place in the market. Replacing drum brakes can be more complicated than replacing disc brakes. There are many small springs and parts that need careful handling. Errors during reassembly could lead to brake failure. This complexity can be a pain point for some mechanics. The simplicity of disc brakes makes them easier to inspect and replace, saving time and effort. The visibility of the rotor and caliper allows for quick assessments. Many people find this system convenient for regular maintenance checks, which eventually saves money. When it comes to weight, disc brakes generally weigh less than drum systems. This contributes to better vehicle performance and energy efficiency. Reducing unsprung weight helps improve handling characteristics, particularly important for high-performance vehicles. Some people worry about the cost of converting drum brakes to disc brakes. It's not a small expense and may not be necessary for all vehicles. For everyday driving, many find that drum brakes are sufficient and don't warrant the upgrade. And a pro tip, keeping your brake system clean and lubricated will increase the lifespan of both drum and disc brakes. Regular checks will help you catch issues early, such as worn down pads or shoes, potentially saving you from expensive repairs. And knowing when to replace your brakes is crucial. For drum brakes, listen for unusual noises like squealing or grinding. These could be signs that your brake shoes need replacement. Ignoring these signs may lead to more severe issues. For disc brakes, the best time to replace them is when they reach the minimum thickness limit. Failing to do this might cause damage to the rotor, which is more expensive to replace. Pay attention to warning lights on your dashboard as well. Ultimately, choosing between drum and disc brakes depends on your driving needs. Consider factors like vehicle type, performance needs, and budget. Whether you're in Portland like me or anywhere else, making an informed choice will benefit your driving experience. Both drum and disc brakes have merits and downsides. By understanding each system's features and limitations, you can make smarter decisions. This helps not only in buying a vehicle, but in maintaining and upgrading your existing braking system for maximum safety.